Welcome to Troon North, one of North Scottsdale's most sought-after communities, where luxury living meets the natural beauty of the Sonoran Desert. From the moment you arrive, walking through the lushly landscaped courtyard, there's a feeling this home is something special, warm, relaxed, and designed for the way you want to live. Inside, a spacious and flowing floor plan unfolds, with slate, stone, and hardwood floors carrying you effortlessly from one space to the next. The kitchen is beautifully updated, featuring granite countertops, a walk-in pantry, and all-new Thermador appliances, including a gas cooktop and double ovens, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. Just beyond, the breakfast room is wrapped in windows, inviting in natural light and framing the outdoor living spaces that make this home truly shine. The living and dining areas center around a stunning stone-faced fireplace with a timbered mantel, while walls of windows and sliding glass doors create a seamless connection to the outdoors. From the kitchen, breakfast room, and living spaces, you're always connected to the desert landscape and pool views, bringing a sense of calm and privacy into everyday life. The owner's suite is a private retreat, complete with a spacious sitting area, a spa-inspired bathroom with a jetted tub and separate shower, and a generous walk-in closet. Step outside and the lifestyle continues. An expansive covered patio, multiple seating and dining areas, a sparkling pool, and a fully equipped outdoor kitchen with built-in barbecue, cooktop, warming drawer, and refrigerator create the perfect setting for both entertaining and unwinding. Beyond the yard, the natural desert landscape provides exceptional privacy and a true connection to the surrounding environment. Living in Troon North also means access to incredible nearby amenities, including Troon North Community Park and George Dock Cavalier Park, offering tennis, pickleball, playgrounds, and scenic trails. You're just moments from Pinnacle Peak, Tom's Thumb, and Brown's Ranch, with endless opportunities for hiking, biking, and outdoor adventure. And with dining, shopping, top-rated healthcare like the Mayo Clinic, and easy access to the Loop 101, everything you need is right at your fingertips. This is more than a home. It's a lifestyle defined by comfort, beauty, and connection to the desert. I'm Vicki Kaplan with Arizona Best Real Estate, and I'd love to welcome you home.